Welcome to Mind Mastery Meditation and Mindfulness for high school students. In this module, we are going to explore an important idea. Your body is not separate from your mind. Your body is constantly giving you information about how you feel, how stressed you are, and what you may need in that moment. Many students notice thoughts first, but often the body gives signals even earlier. Learning to pay attention to those signals can help you become calmer, more focused, and more in control of your reactions. As we move through this module, we will build your awareness from the inside out. That means you will learn to notice what is happening in your body, understand what those sensations may mean, and use simple mindfulness practices to respond wisely. This module will connect well with everything you have learned earlier in the course, because mindfulness is not only about thoughts and breathing. It is also about learning to listen carefully to the body. In this module, our goal is to help you understand the strong connection between the mind and the body. By the end of this module, you will understand that the body often notices stress before the conscious mind does. For example, your shoulders may tighten, your stomach may feel uncomfortable, or your jaw may clench before you even realize that you are anxious or overwhelmed. This is important because if you can catch stress early in the body, you have a better chance of managing it before it grows stronger. You will also learn how to notice physical sensations without reacting immediately. This is a key mindfulness skill. Instead of instantly trying to escape discomfort or becoming frustrated by it, you will practice observing it calmly. That small pause creates space for better choices. In addition, you will be introduced to two powerful relaxation practices: body scan meditation and progressive muscle relaxation. These practices help train attention, release tension, and increase awareness of how your body feels. Finally, you will see how body awareness can improve many parts of daily life, including emotional regulation, concentration, sleep, and overall well-being. So this module is not just about relaxation during meditation. It is about building a practical life skill you can use at school, at home, before tests, during conflict, or whenever stress appears. Now let us look at the structure of the module so you know where we are going. We begin with "Your body is always talking," where you will be introduced to the idea that the body is constantly sending signals. After that, in understanding body awareness, or interoception, you will learn the scientific term for sensing what is happening inside the body. This will help you understand that body awareness is not just a vague feeling. It is a real skill connected to how the brain and body communicate. Next, in Stress Lives in the Body, we will examine how stress affects muscles, breathing, heartbeat, and energy. Once you understand how stress shows up physically, we move into Learning to Relax the Body, where you will begin practicing how to reduce tension intentionally. The next two lessons are more practical and experiential. In Guided Body Scan Meditation, you will learn to move your attention slowly through the body, noticing sensations with calm awareness. In Progressive Muscle Relaxation, you will practice tightening and releasing muscle groups to feel the difference between tension and relaxation. Then we shift toward daily life in Everyday Mindfulness through the Body, where you will learn how to use these skills outside meditation practice. After that, the weekly challenge and reflection will help you apply what you have learned, and the module quiz will give you a chance to review and strengthen your understanding. Overall, this module takes about 80 minutes. It is designed to build step by step, so each lesson prepares you for the next one. Now that you have seen the full module overview, let us focus on the learning outcomes, beginning with knowledge. In this module, you will understand what body awareness means. Body awareness is the ability to notice physical sensations such as tightness, warmth, restlessness, comfort, fatigue, or calm. Many people move through the day without paying much attention to these signals, but mindfulness helps bring them into awareness. You will also learn the concept of interoception. This is the brain's ability to sense what is happening inside the body. It includes signals like heartbeat, breathing, hunger, tension, and other internal sensations. Understanding this concept gives you a scientific foundation for mindfulness practice. It shows that listening to the body is not imaginary or unscientific. It is a natural human ability that can be trained. Another key part of knowledge in this module is understanding how emotions affect the body. Emotions are not only thoughts in the mind, they are also physical experiences. Anxiety may feel like a racing heart. Anger may feel like heat or tightness. Sadness may feel heavy or low energy. Recognizing these patterns helps you understand yourself more clearly. You will also learn why chronic stress creates muscle tension. When stress happens repeatedly, the body may stay in a state of readiness, almost as if it is always preparing for a challenge. Over time, this can lead to tight shoulders, headaches, jaw tension, tiredness, and difficulty relaxing. Finally, you will learn that relaxation is not something that just happens for everyone. It is a skill. Just like improving in sports, music, or studying, learning to relax the body takes practice. This idea is important because it reminds you that if relaxing feels difficult at first, that is normal. It is something you can strengthen over time. After knowledge, the next learning outcome is skills. This is where understanding becomes action. One of the first skills you will develop is the ability to notice physical sensations without judging them. That means instead of thinking, "This is bad," or "I should not feel this," you simply observe what is there. For example, you might notice, "My chest feels tight," or "My hands feel warm." This kind of observation helps you stay grounded and calm. You will also learn to identify the early signs of stress. This is especially useful for high school students because stress can build quickly during busy days, exams, social pressure, or lack of sleep. If you can notice early signs such as shallow breathing, tense shoulders, or restlessness, you can respond sooner and more effectively. Another skill is learning how to release unnecessary muscle tension. Many people hold tension in the jaw, neck, shoulders, back, or hands without realizing it. By bringing attention to these areas, you can begin to let go of tension that is not helping you. You will also practice body scan meditation, which trains focused attention and increases sensitivity to body signals. This is one of the core practices in this module, and it will help you become more aware of subtle sensations. In addition, you will learn how to use body awareness to improve sleep and concentration. When your body is calmer, your mind often becomes steadier as well. This means body-based mindfulness can support not only emotional balance, but also academic performance and rest. So this slide shows that the module is practical. You are not only learning ideas, you are building tools you can actually use. The final learning outcome is mindset. This is about how you begin to relate to your body and your experience. First, you will come to understand that your body provides valuable information. Instead of seeing bodily sensations as distractions, you can learn to see them as helpful signals. Your body may be telling you that you are stressed, tired, hungry, overwhelmed, excited, or in need of rest. Second, you will understand that stress often appears physically before emotionally. This connects directly to the earlier slides about knowledge and skills. Before you say, "I feel stressed," your body may already be showing signs. If you learn to notice those signs early, you can take action sooner. Another important mindset in this module is that awareness comes before change. You cannot relax tension you do not notice. You cannot regulate stress you are unaware of. Mindfulness begins with seeing clearly. Once you become aware, change becomes possible. Finally, you will understand that listening to the body builds resilience. Resilience does not mean never feeling stress. It means recognizing what is happening, responding with skill, and recovering more effectively. When you learn to listen to your body, you strengthen your ability to handle challenges in a healthy and balanced way. This mindset prepares us for the lessons ahead. In the next parts of the module, you will not only study the body's signals, but also practice how to listen to them with patience, curiosity, and calm attention.